Hi, my name is AJ Gerard from StrobeAdvice. Today I will show you how to replace a halogen bulb in a Narva Hi Optics Baby halogen rotating beacon. These instructions are also suitable for the standard profile Narva Hi Optics halogen rotating beacon. First things first, to replace the halogen bulb you will need to remove the outer dome by unscrewing these 3 lens screws. Depending on the model, some models have a screw-on lens and some models have a twist-off lens. The standard profile only has a twist-off lens. From there, you can now see the reflector assembly with the H1 halogen bulb. To remove the bulb, simply unscrew this gold metal cap. From there, you can now see that the bulb is loose. If you just tug on it a little bit, and you can now see the terminal in which the bulb is connected to. Simply grasp onto the terminal and the bulb and give it a little pull, and you'll see that the bulb is now loose and free. As this beacon does not need a new bulb, we will simply go ahead and put the existing bulb back into the terminal. The terminal has a little plastic sleeve, so you will need to line it up inside the terminal without actually being able to see it. You will need to make sure that you're not inserting it between the terminal and the plastic sleeve, as that is very easy to do. I think I had it then. Okay, that feels like it's in. So then, simply press it down back into the reflector assembly and screw on the little metal cap to secure the bulb to the reflector assembly. Unlike some beacons, it doesn't matter where the cut piece of the globe base is. So once that's nice and tight, then you can replace the outer dome and screwing the 3 screws, making sure that you're lining up the screw holes on the lens with the screw holes on the base. And there you have it. That is how you replace a halogen bulb in a Narva Baby Hi Optics halogen rotating beacon and a Narva standard profile halogen rotating beacon. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and check us out on our new Flickr page at StrobeAdvice, and we will see you in our next video in the not too distant future.